Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Is this the next big leap in action cameras? The action camera landscape is undergoing a transformative evolution, and the buzz surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is at an all-time high. Set to redefine the standards of what we expect from an action camera, this eagerly awaited model promises to deliver features that not only enhance image quality, but also elevate the overall user experience. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a casual adventurer, the Ace Pro 2 has something to offer everyone. Let's dive into the exciting specifications, standout features, price expectations, and anticipated launch date of this innovative camera. An overview of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has quickly become a focal point for enthusiasts eager to explore its groundbreaking technology. Early discussions suggest that this model is not just an incremental upgrade, but a game changer that will push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of action cameras. With cutting-edge advancements and features that promise to exceed what we've come to expect from Insta360 and its competitors, the anticipation surrounding this device is palpable. A revolutionary sensor, enhanced performance. At the heart of any exceptional camera is its sensor, and the Ace Pro 2 is rumored to boast a significant enhancement in this area. Expect to see a 1.3-inch sensor, a considerable leap from the 1.3-inch sensor of its predecessor. This increase in sensor size translates to better light-gathering capabilities, allowing for remarkable image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. For outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers, this improvement means capturing vibrant, detailed, and noise-free images during challenging shooting scenarios. Whether you're scaling rocky cliffs, biking through lush forests, or enjoying a sunset on the beach, the Ace Pro 2 will ensure your footage remains sharp and visually stunning. Elevating visuals, boost in resolution and frame rate. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is set to impress with its rumored 50-megapixel sensor, an upgrade from the previous model's 48-megapixel capability. While the difference may seem marginal on paper, the practical implications are significant. Enhanced resolution allows for intricate detail, resulting in stunningly crisp images that stand out. Video quality is equally impressive, with the Ace Pro 2 expected to support 8K video at 30 frames per second (FPS). This marks a notable advancement from the prior model's 8K at 24 FPS capability, offering smoother, more fluid footage that's crucial for capturing fast-paced action. Whether filming extreme sports, wildlife, or daily activities, the increased frame rate ensures that your visuals are both professional and polished.